Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I decided to go ahead and decorate a tier tray for you, which you could go ahead and move around anywhere in your home, and it makes it look totally beautiful. So come on with me. Now this video is part of a collaboration called the Home Decor Luxe Club, and it is Vlogmas time, and let's jot down the dates. So we are going to be bringing you some home decor, some shopping, decorating ideas, and so on, and we're going to start with December 1st, and then we have December 8th, the 15th, the 22nd, and the 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be fun, guys, so you don't want to miss it. Now, we do want to use these 3 hashtags just to make sure that we're picking up your video and adding it to the playlist. So the first one is hashtag Home Decor Luxe Club. The second one is hashtag Tis the Season to Sparkle. And then we have hashtag Holiday Decor Club. Okay, so the main host is Glam Elegant Decor and Design. This is Allie. And then we have Creations by Simone, Tablescapes by Candy, Miriam Creative Corner, Design 2AT, and Amethyst Adventures. Okay, so if we take a look at the items that we're using to put together this tier tray, it's so easy to do and so beautiful. So the actual tier tray came from Home Goods. Then we have the tablecloth and that runner. I got that, was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army. These beautiful acrylic deer, I got those at the Dollar Tree along with that beautiful tree. Those trees are really coming beautiful at Dollar Tree. Now we have that beautiful poinsettia in gold that I got at Walmart, and I believe I also thrifted that cute little nativity that you see on the top tray. So this was a budget-friendly, absolutely gorgeous looking tier tray. Then I decided to go ahead and overlap with this furry little, it's really a neck scarf. So look at it, it's so gorgeous. And after I washed it and fluffed it up, it just became more fluffy. Just decided to kind of overlay that on the bottom tray, and I think it's beautiful. We go ahead and add a candle and light it, and then we're heading on over to the reveal. So if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Allie for hosting this collaboration. I cannot wait to see you next week at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Home Decor Luxe Club Vlogmas. So have an amazing day and happy holidays.